go, so we validate our fantasies to feel like we are special inside. You know we love to lie. We like grabbing onto anything to feel like we're important, not a moment that is shorter than a hiccup or a blink of an eye. You know it's good time, but we're all gonna die, decompose into daffodils into the light. The bees will use our flowers for whatever they like. Make the honey that our grandkids will put inside their morning tea. It's the thing of life. We all need each other. The thing of life. Nobody lives forever. The thing of we don't know how to accept we're just a product of a chance, and less like gods but more like plants who can't stop making up reasons we're alive. You know we love to deny, so we paint our face with intellect, pretending we're not curious. Too busy, super serious, don't have the time to do what we like. Baby, look at the sky, 'cause we're all gonna die, decompose into daffodils into the light. The bees will use our flowers for whatever they like. Make the honey that our grandkids will put inside their morning tea. It's the thing of life. We all need each other. The thing of life. Nobody lives forever. The thing of life. We all need each other. The thing of life. Nobody lives forever. The thing